write a program to check whether the given number is a palindrome or not. We need to take a number as an input from user, and whenever there is input-output, a studio library need to be included. Int main parenthesis. We are using a number named n, so let's declare the variable n. Int n. We need to ask user to enter its value. Printf. Enter a value of n. Scan def %d %n. We got n. Now we need to tell whether n is a palindrome or not. A number is a palindrome if it is a reverse of itself. Example 1 2 1 1 4 4 1 and like that. We will write a function named reverse. If the obtained reverse value is same as the original, then we need to print that n is a palindrome, else n is not a palindrome. Int rev equal to reverse inside parenthesis n. If n equal to rev, print f n is a palindrome, else print f n is not a palindrome. Let's define the reverse function. For a given value of n, reverse function should be the reverse of the input number. Here, the input number that comes to this function is an integer, and the output is an integer too. Int name of the function, int n braces. Int that we used in beginning is an output type. Reverse is the name of the function. Now inside the parentheses, we need to write the argument that we are supposed to pass. Here we pass an argument that is one number, an integer int n, and inside braces we should write our statements. As we're supposed to find reverse and we need to return that value, here I use the variable named rev and I initialize it to 0, because if we don't, it may have a garbage value and this may lead to an error. In order to find reverse, we use a while loop. While n is greater than 0, rev equal to rev star 10 plus n mod 10. N is equal to n by 10. What do those two statements do? What happened here is, initially rev equal to 0. In first iteration, rev star 10 equal to 0 plus n mod 10, where n mod 10 is the last digit of n. Actually, if you take for example 132, when you divide by 10, remainder which comes is 2, can be done simply 132 mod 10. Let's take an example. If n equal to 1234, then what will be rev? After first iteration, rev equal to 4 and n becomes 123. After second iteration, rev equal to 4 star 10 equal to 40 plus n was 123. N mod 10 is 3, rev becomes 43 and n becomes 12. Similarly, after next iteration, rev becomes 432 and n becomes 1. After next iteration, rev becomes 4321 and n becomes 0. Now when n becomes 0, we come out of the while loop. This way we obtain the reverse. Now the obtained reverse must be returned. Therefore, return rev. Now let's compile it. Enter a value of n, 1234. 1234 is not a palindrome number. Enter a value of n, 12321. 12321 is a palindrome number.